morning. It is a cold day down in Hollywood. And as you can see by that huge gorilla that we're about to see, also known as the King Kong, we are at Universal Studios. Figured we'd spend some President's Day weekend time here. We haven't been here before, so it should be kind of fun. What are you guys looking forward to the most?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why not?
The park.
Well, of course, the park. What are you looking forward to the most?
I don't know. All the accelerators.
The big gorilla?
All the accelerators.
That's a big monkey. That's a much bigger monkey than you.
Yeah.
Someone needs to teach that cow how to drive. Looks like he had a little bit of an accident. Oh, kids are all excited. There's a Dodger store. We may have to check that place out. And there is you can see the distance. We're getting to the Universal Globe, the spinning globe. We have made it through the security line. Now we're gonna take a nice little walk on the red carpet. I guess they really roll out the red carpet for our entry. And here we are down the street. There's a band. We're taking a walk into Hogwarts. There's the Hogwarts Express there. Butterbeer stand. Look at that. Still some snow on the castle and on the buildings. Here they got a music shop. Is that the dragon? Something's angry. Oh, there's smoke coming out of that building. What's going on over there? It's all smoky over there. I don't know what's going on. Decided to hop in line for our first ride of the day, which ride is it? Harry Potter something. Forbidden Journey, that's what it is, the Forbidden Journey. So when we got in, they make you leave your bags, but at least they don't make you pay for a locker, so that's kind of nice. So they have a free bag drop, which is a good thing. Now we're in the next section of the queue to go hit the next part of the ride.
For 2 hours.
Yeah, for 2 hours. Well, hopefully this line's not 2 hours long. According to the app, it's like 30 minutes. So we'll see. It's unusual for us to be at a theme park we've never gone to before. We're usually experts most places we go, but we will be before too long because we got annual passes, so we'll be here a lot. A little herb garden as we walk through. Hey, look, there's the sink. Maybe the snake might come out. Watch out for the basilisk. Where's Moaning Myrtle? What is that? Is that Dumbledore?
Yeah. Looks like it.
Can't tell. There's more wizards. Look at that. There's all kinds of wizards in here. Look, it's a unicorn. Look. See the unicorn?
The Warlocks Convention in 17.
We just finished riding the Forbidden Journey. That was pretty fun. That was an entertaining ride. Now we're in line to go to the Universal Famous Studio Tour. Check it out and see what it's all about. Go see Hill Valley and all kinds of other stuff. Should be fun. There it is.
We did classic movies like To Kill a Mockingbird. Yeah, comedies like Bruce Almighty. And we always change it around from production to production, you know. It looked a lot different in Back to the Future 2. a lot different. You know what it looks like? It looks like Grand View on Ghostbusters. Jennifer Love Hewitt. A number of years ago, we dressed it up to look like that, which is the way it looks. So we still have it that way. We can change it around, though. Our sets are designed to be versatile.
Yeah, it's cool, guys. I was just walking in. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Even if you make it here on the Universal lot.
Yeah, hey, look what we made up ahead here. Now, I gotta tell you, the monster movies at Universal is the most important part of our history. We invented monster movies. Look what we're doing right now. This is the work of artist Tristan Eden. And this is our giant monster mural. Is it beautiful or what? Look at that. It is on it even as we speak. He's doing it with spray paint. Legally, I might add. Isn't that gorgeous? We did that because monster movies are the most important part of our history here.
Looks like that tour bus didn't quite make it. Good thing we're not on that one.
I was thrilled when you
got some cool cars.
New York Street, where the Fate of the Furious did filming. Guys, you need to stay seated, please. Remain seated.
Magnet PI's car. Hey, it's Biff's car.
Look at this, Fast and Furious cars. And the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. Oh, what a movie that was. Now, Jurassic World came out in 2015. Very successful. In fact, we did it again last summer. Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. But it all started 25 years ago.
There's a guy over there.
Yeah. Did you know we just celebrated the 25th anniversary of the original Jurassic Park movie? The movie was actually based on a book. The book came out, I think, in like 1990. That was by author Michael Crichton.
It's a great book.
Spielberg's the guy who took the book and put it out.
No, it's like
From a cliff. Yeah, in the movie it was. You know what it was? Well, apparently not on the back. Now, let me tell you how to on the back left.
There they are.
We had a rain around here earlier today. That's the Hollywood style. Oh, you want to know one of the best things about a Hollywood style? You can turn it off whenever you want. Like right now. Well, maybe not. You guys in the back, did any of them turn off? No. Uh-oh, they're stuck on again. Hey, I warned you about water. Oh boy, look at this. Now we're over this right. Now up and down again. Whoa!
Oh, someone's getting soaked.
Well, what do you know? Hey, just the way it looked in the movie Big Fat Liar.
Stewart shot a few of their westerns.
That's right. That's where I aim to shoot here.
Looks like we got ourselves a Mexican standoff. Lucky shot.
And what say you mount up and get out of town while the getting's good?
All right. Well, I'll see you again, fella.
Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Stand closed. Get in.
it should have good on the swing set.
Just got done watching the special effects show. That was pretty fun. Did you guys like that? What do you think so far? We're about halfway through the day. What do you think? You what? Is it fun? You having a good time? How about you, Haley? You want to go to bed? How about you, Bethany? You want to go to bed too? Yeah? You guys are all tired. I don't know. We still got like 6 hours to go till the park closes.
So, there is a really fun ride I've been on.
What is it?
Guess what it is?
You like Transformers? Which one is your favorite so far today, Bethany? Can't hear you. The Mummy? Haley, which one is your favorite so far of the ones you've ridden?
Mommy.
The Mummy? What about, well, yeah, the Transformer one was good too, though. That Forbidden Journey one was pretty good too, though. That's the first one. How come you didn't like that one?
Because I thought we were going to tip over, but we didn't.
But so why were you scared? You got nothing to be scared of. You can ride it again and enjoy it next time. Decided to sneak out of the park to get something to eat. And the City Walk is much more occupied than it was when we came through this morning. So, just a few more people walking around. I guess everyone wants to walk the city or take pictures. After a quick bite to eat, we're walking the red carpet on our way back in again. See what else we can do. It's starting to get cold though, man. It's chilly at nighttime. Wasn't too bad during the day. It was kind of getting hot and cold, but right now, boys, sure cooled off quick. Let's head back in.
Stick your tongue down.
Come on, here you got a little Beetlejuice out here on the street.
Keep up the good work, boys.
Go ahead, it's he's friendly.
Chicken, Kylie.
Yeah, don't be a chicken.
What?
Stick your tongue out.
Stick your tongue out, Haley. Come on. There you go. That's better. Thanks, Beetlejuice. Go from Beetlejuice to Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty here. Your Lunar New Year dress is very beautiful. Thank you.
I got the. Oh, what is her name? No, which group is that? It's from the Goblet of Fire. I forget their name.
She's wearing Gryffindor.
That's pretty cool. You go up there and there's the castle up there. The castle looks awesome at nighttime. Don't be scared. It's all right. He's friendly. He's nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And after a fun day, it's we still got a couple hours till the park closes, but everyone's tired. We're gonna start heading out, and we got a long drive home, so we're gonna head on home. But it's been a fun day, fun time for coming here for the first time. It was busy because it's a holiday weekend, so a lot of people are down here. But it's a fun trip, fun park. You know, after doing Magic Mountain and Knott's and all that kind of stuff, I say this one is, of course, Disneyland is tops, but this one's good. The theming here is really good, especially going through Hogsmeade down there for the Harry Potter land, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. That's that one's a whole lot of fun, a lot of good stuff in there to see. But yeah, there's the doing some filming there. Head on out. So until next time, we'll see ya. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when a new video is posted.
Bye-bye. Comment down below if you've been to Universal Studios, if you've been to Universal.
What do you want him to do?
Comment down below if you've been to Universal.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And make sure to like and subscribe.